What do we have here? I told you some time ago that we would have 3 different systems for mounting our ducts.
Engine is clamp free. A special sleeve type gasket was made, designed very carefully, which took a long time. There were several trials. It's not uniformly thick all the way through. In one spot it's a little bit thinner, and then here it's thicker. This is because of what I promised you, what we've been working on, and here it is, our self-clamping system. If we push it all the way in, it stays in. It rests on these 6 ridges. Once it's inserted, we'll have 6 ridges secured. Let me just double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 ridges.
We checked this connection.
Inside a plenum box. We tested it using pressurized water. You should never test with air, because if this were to burst, it could seriously injure us. It's like when a tire bursts, there's a sudden explosion. So we always test with liquid under pressure, with very dense liquids, special oils or water, and we tested it with water. This connection handled 2 bars. We put water through it at a pressure of 2 bars and absolutely nothing happened. So this connection is holding strong on the 6 ridges, sealing this system very well. Every component, each ridge, is designed to seal, which means we achieve the highest airtightness class for this type of connection, for this box. With these gaskets, we don't just have class A, but classes B and C.
This is the highest airtightness class. As I said, this connection easily withstands 2 bars. We didn't check any further because the plastic burst due to the high pressure, which is normal. So we have 3 mounting systems.
The first option we have are these plastic clips. The second are our indestructible metal clips, which have such incredible mechanical strength that it's practically impossible to figure out how to remove them. We cannot break them or do anything else. The third mounting system is these rubber seals. This system is designed so you can adjust the clamping force yourself. If we insert 6 ridges, it's virtually impossible to remove, and that's the highest airtightness class. If we do 2 or 3, then you pull to get it out. You need to know what kind of system you want to choose. Look, when I insert those 6 ridges, I have trouble getting it out. If I insert 1, 2, 3, 4, which is say class A, I can easily take it out. But if I insert 5, it becomes difficult. And if I push it in all the way to 6, then it's a real struggle. If we use some dish soap, I use the well-known Polish dish soap, Ludwig, then I can easily pull it out and insert it to the maximum, achieving the highest airtightness class. After some time, this liquid will dry out after 1, 2, or even 3 days. I haven't actually checked that, but we can certainly insert it.
We can insert it all the way on the 6 ridges, and after some time if we don't change anything, it dries out.
And absolutely nothing can move this. As I said, if we use this dish soap, we'll have a good 48 hours to take it out, and at that stage we can even insert 7 ridges. But as I've explained, 6 ridges are currently holding it firmly in position.
Using this connection, I don't have to cut it perfectly straight. I don't have to worry about that.
I can even cut it in such a way that I add 1 or 2 humps at an angle, and I'll always achieve the highest airtightness class, because there's still room for 1 more, so we can actually fit a total of 7. And if I use dish soap, I insert it all the way in and I can pull it out.
I inserted the maximum 7 ridges. 6 is perfectly sufficient. After some time, when it dries, it's impossible for anyone to move. In my opinion, it's an amazing system.
And it's available to everyone. This solution for plenum boxes. With distribution boxes, we use regular single peripheral gaskets. It's been tested and confirmed that we get airtightness class A. You can find the reports on our website. Here, I don't have test results. We didn't perform them, as we don't even know if it makes sense. We won't boast, as we consider it to be class A. But I am 100% certain that with these gaskets, with these ridges, it definitely holds. We conducted tests with water. I can confidently state this is the highest class of airtightness for ventilation systems, class C.
That's all the marketing talk for today. We have 3 types of systems, as I explained.
The first standard one, which you receive with the device, is perfectly sufficient. We always include these clips for free with our systems. They are removable. You just need to pry them open. It's a very strong system. It's impossible to pull it out. And an even better, more robust system, these self-clamping gaskets. You simply have to approach this wisely, know exactly what you want. If you force these 6 ridges in dry, then it will be a struggle to get them out. You must use some dish soap.
Then until this liquid dries, 2, 3, 4 days, depending on the temperature, the conditions,
you can always unfasten and remove it. So we have 3 mounting systems. This one's very good, very easy. Each of these systems is good, but we prepared options for various requirements.